x plus 4x plus 5. How we will solve the product of these binomials? We have first method, that is called FOIL. That is called FOIL. What is the meaning of FOIL? FOIL means first terms, O means outer terms, I means inner terms, and L means last terms. How we will use this method in this product of binomial? First, we have to mention the first terms. So, in solution, x plus 4, x plus 5. What are the first terms? So, what are the first term here? First terms are x and x. Next, what are the outer terms? Outer terms are x and 5. Outer terms means the range between the two binomials. Here, like in these two binomials, outer terms, this x and outer term 5. Now, what are the inner terms? Inner terms are 4 and x. Inner means near terms, 4 and x. Now, what are the last terms? Last terms are 4 and 5. Now, we are going to solve the product of the binomial. First, we will solve the first terms. First terms are x and x. So, x multiply x. We know that the power of x is 1 and the power of x is 1, and when we multiply two terms, the powers are going to add. So answer will be x squared. Now we are going to multiply outer terms. What are the outer terms? X and 5. X multiply 5. So that will be 5x. Now we are going to multiply inner terms. Inner terms 4 and x. Inner terms 4 and x. So 4 multiply x, that will be 4x. Now we are going to multiply last terms. So the last terms are 4 and 5. So the answer is 20. Now we are going to write it, these whole terms with their signs. X squared plus 5x plus 4x plus 20. So x squared plus 5x plus 4x. 5x plus 4x. That will become 9x. So the answer will be 9x plus 20. So with this method, we solved our product of binomials. Now we are going to solve second example. For example, x squared plus 3x plus 3. We are going to solve this binomial product with FOIL method. First terms, outer terms, inner terms, last terms. So first we are going to solve first terms. First terms are x squared and x. We know that in multiplication, powers are going to add, so the answer will be x cubed. Next, we are going to solve outer terms. Outer terms are x squared multiply 3. So the answer will be 3x. Now we are going to solve inner terms. Inner terms are 3 multiply x. So the answer will be 3x. And now we are going to solve last terms. Last terms, 3 multiply 3. The answer will be 9. So now we are going to write this term in a horizontal way with their signs. X cubed plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. X cubed plus 3x plus 3x, that will be 6x plus 9. So the answer is x cubed plus 6x plus 9. Now we are going to solve third example, that is x squared minus 5 x cubed plus 3. We will solve these product with FOIL method. So the first terms outer terms, inner terms, and the last terms. While method. First we are going to solve first terms, x square multiply x cube, that will be x5 because powers are going to add. Next we are going to solve outer terms. Outer terms are x square multiply 3, that will be 3x. Now we are going to solve inner terms. Inner terms are minus 5 multiply x cube, so that will be minus 5x cube. And then last terms. Last terms are minus 5 multiply 3. So that will be minus 15. Now we are going to write these terms in horizontal way with their sign x power 5, 3x minus 5x cube minus 15. Now we are going to arrange these terms according to their powers. X5 minus 5x cube plus 3x minus 50. So this is the answer. Now we are going to solve our last example of product of binomials. X5 minus 3, 2x plus 4. We are going to solve this binomial product with FOIL method. First terms, outer terms, inner terms, last terms. FOIL method. First terms multiplication, that is x power 5 multiply 2x, and that will be 2x power 6 because the powers are going to multiply and with the coefficient 2. Now we are going to solve outer terms. Outer terms are x power 5 multiply 4, that will be 4x power 5. Inner terms minus 3 and 2x, minus 3 multiply 2x, that will be minus 6. Last terms minus 3 and 4, minus 3 multiply 4, that will be minus 12. So now we are going to write these terms in horizontal way, that will be 2x6 plus 4x power 5 minus 6x minus 12. So this is the required answer. With this, we have solved the product of binomials. And if you really like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.